Hello and welcome back to Everything Beauty's YouTube channel. I am so happy that you decided to join me today, another Monday. I missed you guys. So as you know, we upload every Monday on this particular channel. And so from week to week, I do miss you all. But I do ask that you subscribe to the channel if you hadn't already done so. So for those of you who saw fit to click that button, I want to say thank you. For those of you who hadn't decided, what are you waiting for? I always say that. What are you waiting for? I'm going to give you a few minutes to go ahead and click that subscribe button at the bottom of the video screen. I'm waiting. Seriously though, if you hadn't already joined, then I hope that you would consider doing that today. But I'm so happy that you joined me today. So let's go ahead and talk about the wig that I have on today. I am wearing for you another sensational wig, and it is Dashly. And Dashly is in 1B today. And I love her. She's short, she's sassy. Although the style that I have now or that I'm wearing doesn't look like the stock card, to be honest. The stock card has the waves more defined. I didn't want that look. So I'm going to bring it closer so that you can see the waves. I didn't want that particular look. I did just kind of run my fingers through it to lift it up a little bit. And so it looks a little bit different. I'm going to go ahead and turn around, do a 360 so that you can see her. Hopefully you were able to see all sides. She's very comfortable, very lightweight, very short and sassy. So if you're looking for that look, then this is something that you would probably want to entertain. Let's talk about the specifications. So stick with me so you can gather that information. Now, let's talk about the specifications for this beautiful wig. This particular wig can actually stand heat between 300 and 400 degrees Fahrenheit. It also comes in many different colors, beautiful colors. Again, I have the color 1B, but it comes in different colors like your 613s, which is like a blondish color. You have your 99J burgundy. It comes in copper, a dark teal, rose gold, and it's also a grayish tint that this particular wig comes into. It does state on the stock card that it is ready to wear. The particular style is ready to wear, and again, it's made with the heat-resistant fibers, and it's available in the colors that I just mentioned. You can actually dress this wig up. You can dress it down by adding hair jewelry to it. You can even add a scarf to it to make it really cute and sassy. So just to name a few. Let's go further into the specifications now with the makeup of the wig. So we do have an adjustable band in the back where you can actually tighten it or you can make it more loose. You do have a comb position in the back of the wig for added security. And in the front, you have these very small combs that are positioned on the right and left side of the wig. And I hope you're able to see this, but it's a very small, tiny comb positioned in the front and back of the wig to add additional security. So let's talk then about the color again. This is a 1B, as you can see, and I'm trying to bring it up closer so that you can see that beautiful color. And join me for my final thoughts on this particular wig. Final thoughts on Dashly. She is very lightweight. She's that sassy, classy look. If you're used to wearing your hair very short, or if you currently have short hair and you just want to stop manipulating your own hair, this will be ideal for you. As mentioned in the specifications, it is adjustable. It is big head friendly. I tell people all the time I have a huge head, so I'm able to wear this wig without any issues whatsoever. I actually like it. I don't like the very defined waves in it, like the stock card has, but you can always take your fingers, run your fingers through the hair and make your own style. And that's what I like about it. So if you like this particular wig, check the description box of where you can actually purchase it. All of the information will be located there. Until next time, I want you to take care of yourself and each other. Remember that we upload videos every single Monday. So I'll be missing you guys until next week, Monday. And I hope that if you like the video, we will be reviewing wigs sometimes. On next week, I think I'll change it up a little bit and talk about some of the hair bundles that you can actually purchase from Everything Beauty. So maybe next week we'll do that, where we venture off into the bundles that you can actually purchase from Everything Beauty. I enjoy having you here. If you like the video, go ahead and hit the thumbs up button that's located at the bottom of the video screen. I would greatly appreciate it. And leave comments in the comments section. I've noticed that I haven't been getting very much comments as I thought. So share your thoughts with me. If you want me to review a wig, or if you have some topic that you're interested in, feel free to leave that in the comment section. And I promise I'll write back, or we can discuss the topic further. But again, until next week, Monday, take care of yourself and each other.